Most people are in a rush all the time, and I get it. Life is demanding. Hey Smitty, what's going on? Yeah, I'm pretty busy right now. Just going over the second quarter financials. You know how it is. What's up? With all kinds of projects on the go? Yeah, I can play hockey tonight, no problem. I just have to get my skate sharpened. When kids get thrown into the mix. Sorry, Coop. Daddy can't play right now. He's busy filming a mildly clever video showcasing typical scenarios of how busy people are in their regular, everyday lives. His work is very important. There's nothing he can do about it. I mean, there's only 24 hours in a day. Who has time to make a proper, healthy meal? I mean, it's pretty easy to open a bag of pasta this, a can of tomato sauce that, mix them all together, and you got yourself a dinner. Quick and dirty, I'll give you that, but is it really all that healthy? What if there was an alternative? Well, you guessed it, there is. All right, let's see how long this thing takes to prep. And there you go. 7 minutes and 45 seconds of prep time, which actually took a little bit longer than I thought, which means, like most people, I'm not a very good judge of how long stuff takes. So now I have 25 minutes or so to do whatever I want. I just have to check on this stuff periodically. Smitty, how many times are we going to have this debate? How many Stanley Cups did Wayne Gretzky win after he left the Edmonton Oilers? He laid an egg, exactly. And how many did Mark Messier win? 2. Mark Messier was the heart and soul of that hockey team, and anybody who says otherwise is a complete... Don't tell Mommy! Mommy doesn't know! Don't tell Mommy! Mommy doesn't know!
Mommy always knows.
Now, not only do you have a delicious and nutritious, healthy stir fry, but you also have... Pro tip, add some peanut butter in right at the very end to cut that extra spiciness and give it a little bit of peanut sweetness. Now, not only do you have a healthy stir fry meal to enjoy for dinner tonight, but you also have 2, 4, 6, 8 more meals to eat however you want, spread throughout the week. And this was all done in about 30 minutes of time and 7, call it 10 minutes of effort to keep it nice round numbers. So the next time you're looking for something that's healthy and quick, I would definitely recommend trying this healthy stir fry. This has been Jonathan from Fitness for Freedom. If you enjoyed this video, found it useful or entertaining, please like our page or subscribe to our channel because we deliver mildly clever content just like it every week. Take care, and we'll talk to you next time.